So you ask us, you want to do a celebrity hair transplant, the non-shaven hair transplant, and want to see what kind of haircut you need to get. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. I'm going to go over what is the best haircut for going through with a celebrity hair transplant procedure. So if you want to have a celebrity hair transplant, that's a method that we don't shave hair at all. So people walk in and out with no evidence of any procedure at all. This procedure is known as celebrity hair transplant because years ago when we started doing this procedure, we were getting this question from patients that they want to do hair transplant, FUE hair transplant procedure, but that shaving area on the back that we needed to shave in order to see the grafts and pull them out was not even working out for them, and they cannot even afford to go out with any sort of shaving. So for these people, we came up with the idea of celebrity hair transplant. At the beginning, we were doing it at a very small number of grafts, maybe 500 a day. And then we increasingly added to the number of grafts to the point that at this point we can do up to 1,800 grafts, which is a pretty much like full-size procedure. The method works best when your hair is at about this length. So if you have like an inch or two of hair length on the back is perfect. You can do it with any length of hair. If your hair is too short, obviously there's no point of doing celebrity hair transplant because you already have a crew cut, which is not much basically different than the typical usual hair transplant that we do. But if your hair is very long, we can do celebrity hair transplant, or we can do layer shaving. We can shave one layer in between and your long hair will cover it. Still, some ladies prefer to do celebrity hair transplant because they don't even want to have that band on the back of the head shaved. That will affect the size of their ponytail for many months until the hair grows. So we have different reasons that people do celebrity hair transplant. But if you're a man and you want to do celebrity hair transplant, or if you're a woman and you have the option to keep your hair shorter, something like this, like a typical man average haircut, not too short, not too long, is ideal. That allows us to go between your hair and part your hair, find the hairs that we want to extract under microscope with a special tool that we remove hair, and we don't have to struggle too much with long hair to detangle them or to comb them over. This is a perfect size. So if you want to ask a barber to give you that haircut, that will be something around like number 3, 4, or even 5, not more than that. Although any size hair could go through celebrity hair transplant. So we're not talking about what you cannot do. We're talking about what's an ideal length of hair to make it easier for the surgeon and surgical team to give you the procedure as quick as possible and as efficient as possible. I hope you learned from this video about celebrity hair transplant and what is the best haircut for this procedure. If you have other questions, feel free to send us through the comment section or follow us on our social media and check on our blog.